I do things so many times throughout the years that it becomes normal, right? It's not exciting anymore, it's just normal. And one of the most exciting parts about being a teacher is watching students experience something for the first time and get excited about it and be so passionate and thrilling for it. Right now they're in there pouring plates and learning how to grow bacteria, and it's a very exciting thing for them. It kind of brings back that same passion and joy, and then I remember and I'm like, oh my gosh, you're right, this is really cool, this is really exciting. So for me, I think there's probably about 3 things that I would love for my students to learn. One is that they are capable of doing science. My class is a very hands-on, skills-based class, and I actually had a student, my second year teaching, that she came into my class and we were at the end of the semester and we were kind of going over everything that had happened. And she said to me, to be honest, I thought I was going to fail your course. It just felt so intimidating and so big. And she ended up doing amazing. She was a fantastic student and was very successful in my course. And that surprised me. And that's what I love about here is a lot of times science can feel big and intimidating. And a lot of times when we get into the lab and we can walk them through those steps, they realize how capable they are. And that's kind of the second one too, is just helping the students realize that they can do a lot of things. And the other thing is just helping them know that they're amazing people. I think as a teacher, we have a really cool opportunity and a really cool position where you can make a really big impact on a student by just being genuinely kind and find the traits and the things that make them who they are and like shining a light on that.